who's here? The People's Champion!
The Brahma Bull looks ready to lay the smackdown.
The following contest is a fatal four-way match. Making his way to the ring from Miami, Florida, weighing in at 275 pounds, The Rock!
Yeah, I can't even imagine living The Rock's life.
Can you guys believe The Rock wouldn't even let me try on his $500 shirt?
Of course I can believe it. It's because your bank account's about $499 short.
The Rock has already reached the mountaintop in such an electrifying amount of time. Guys, see what I did there?
Oh, this is my favorite part. He's gonna sing.
Y'all know what time it is. This the part where we crank it up. Let's crank it up. Now here we go. People over there, what's up? You feel me? Stand up and say what's up. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? You can get with this or you can get with that. You better get with this, cause this is where it's at. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? See, I be skipping and jumping, leaving the competition. I make them disappear like your favorite magician. And I ride it till the wheel fall off. I bounce back to back till their necks get soft. Most of the time you see me, I'm being simple. Then many times I'll be busting them up like a pimple, stating my claim to fame, to be one of the baddest young brothers step foot in this game. And I haven't even started yet. You can better believe I take it off the show shot bet. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up?
Ladies and gentlemen, the Tribal Chief is here.
And we may have no other option but to acknowledge him.
And representing the Bloodline from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, the undisputed WWE Universal Champion, Roman Reigns!
The Tribal Chief has faced opponents from every corner of the earth, and none of them have withstood the challenge.
And at this rate, who's left?
Well, it may seem impossible, but a match like tonight is an ultimate opportunity.
Then reality sets in. You are facing greatness on a different level.
You can love him or you can hate him, but you must acknowledge him.
A certified GOAT, Reigns is now an unstoppable force. As exuberant as ever.
KOFI only has one mode.
And representing the New Day from Ghana, West Africa, weighing in at 212 pounds, KOFI Kingston!
Don't you just feel good when Kofi Kingston enters the arena?
I feel better when he exits, but we are about to see some gravity-defying maneuvers and unparalleled agility.
But Kofi gets down to business, Corey, when it's time for action.
No doubt about it. You don't last this long in WWE unless you know how to get the job done, which Kofi does.
It's a fatal four-way match. 4 superstars, 1 fall to a finish.
The number of competitors is 4, but the volatility's off the charts. This is like pitting 4 wild animals.
Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
Reigns hoists him up.
All the way up. Sit-out crucifix powerbomb. Danger is certainly elevated in a fatal four-way.
Yeah, Cole, you really got to be careful here. You either go in head first or you sit back and bide your time. We've seen both pay off and both backfire.
Ooh! Look at this, just stop after stop after stop.
That was a showing of control and aggression, something they'll want to keep up.
From behind. What? Where did that powerbomb come from? Ooh.
And he has free reign to the outside with no countouts to worry about.
And look at for a back suplex.
And he's out of there in a nick of time.
Face first into the chair. Ooh. Strikes with a kick. He gets out of the way. Escapes in a nick of time.
Flying heel kick.
Quick reflex is so important in a match like this. Striking with a knee.
Kingston feeling the energy from this crowd.
And did you hear the impact of that?
Whack! This is turning into Swanson Street.
Jarring European uppercut. I think I know what this superstar's going for.
A muscle buster.
Dropping the elbow. Oh. Reigns turns that around.
And Truth evades that.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
Oof. Oh.
Boom! He's starting to struggle here.
This match certainly has from the top.
Meanwhile, we see The Rock.
Whoa, look out. Took a leap of faith and connected perfectly. This could be just what they needed.
Hurricanrana.
The dive! Oh, I hope they back up. They're getting too close for comfort.
Well, no one's paying attention to you, Saxton. They're too busy beating the tar out of each other.
Oh, SOS.
Big time clothesline.
Good grief.
Ooh! Big forearm. Boom!
And a big boot.
From behind.
German suplex. Fight is so close to our announce table.
Yeah, I'm just going to step aside now.
Hey, wait for me. Oh, grip. Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Clearing the announce desk.
What a mess. And they just busted out an impactful.
Incoming!
Meanwhile, we have Roman Reigns.
Showing absolutely no apprehension to putting one's body on the line.
Vice-like grip on the trapezius muscle. This is terribly painful.
This match is spilled out to the ringside area. And as we can see, tension's really running high now.
Yeah, we should probably clear the way, guys.
Get arrow.
Incredible. Everyone get out of the way. These two restraints.
Textbook jumping clothesline.
The close of this match is just ahead.
At this point, it might be too much for him to recover from, Cole.
Ooh, he caught him right in the face.
Oh, no. Whoa.
Kofi kicks it.
And Kofi is on the verge.
Is it enough? The cover.
We're well into the match, and he still seems so fresh. It's almost unbelievable.
No two ways about it, guys. Kingston could taste that one, and he's probably sick over it right now.
And he's already taken more hits up there than he should have to handle.
Measured knee drop.
Kofi just taunting his opponent now.
Hope you boys put your running shoes on. It might be time to clear out.
And that failed to hit the mark.
With an elbow.
Taken down by the neck.
Oh, perfect kick. Defiant counter to Reigns.
Oh, I heard a snap.
Crackle. Pop.
Mat slam with some attitude.
And Reigns got clobbered by that move.
This deep into a fatal four-way match, it's a wonder they're not more banged up. But the grueling nature of this match is definitely getting to them now, gentlemen. You can see the battle scars on their bodies, and they are telling an epic tale.
These men are showing everyone the desire, the strength, and the will it takes to compete at this level.
Saw that one coming.
Down he goes.
Kofi staggered.
Then we see Reigns.
Textbook jumping clothesline. Double leg takedown.
Stop.
Boom! To the back of the neck.
Oh, tossed aside. He saw it coming, taking advantage.
Taken head over heels.
Launching.
Oh, what an elbow drop. I don't know if this is a show of confidence or a wasted opportunity to attack your opponent.
Oh, man, they do not care who.
Taking flight. Haymaker connects.
Ooh, nasty shot to the throat.
Oh, impressive counter.
Reigns. The guillotine cinched in. This one could be over.
This won't win the...
About to hit.
The guillotine locked in. This is all.
That was an incredible counter. The WWE Universe can't believe what these warriors are doing to one another.
Everyone's fired up. What a battle.
Punch!
Big time clothesline.
Good grief.
And his torso continues to be targeted.
That could be disrupting the flow of air at this point.
The Rock trying to ramp things up.
And he tosses it back in now.
Textbook jumping clothesline. Oh my gosh, what impact!
And he's been concentrated on that area throughout this one.
He knows every blow there weakens his opposition more. Each
From the top.
Meanwhile, we have The Rock.
Good God, just a disgusting thud heard here at ringside.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now.
here is your winner, The Rock!
What an explosive fatal four-way.
And as the dust continues to settle, here's your winner.
A truly unforgettable match. All four superstars should be proud of their efforts here tonight.